Welcome to the fascinating world of drones. Have you ever wondered how these amazing devices fly? Drones rely on multiple rotors to generate lift and control their movement. By adjusting the speed and direction of each rotor, drones can hover, ascend, descend, and turn. To stabilize themselves, drones use gyroscopes and accelerometers, ensuring smooth and steady flight. Equipped with advanced GPS technology, drones can navigate accurately and follow pre-programmed routes. Drones are equipped with high-resolution cameras, capturing stunning aerial footage from unique perspectives. With their compact size and maneuverability, drones can explore inaccessible areas and gather valuable data. Drones have revolutionized industries such as filmmaking, agriculture, and search and rescue. From capturing stunning aerial footage to pushing the boundaries of innovation, drones have become an integral part of our lives.